What kept you so long? It's good to be home after a long time. What about the king, my father, the king of attacking them, and her majesty, my lord? I expected them to welcome me. Why is everywhere so quiet?
My prince,
Elders of Atta Kingdom, I greet you all.
Mother.
Please, can someone explain to me what is going on here? Where is my father?
My prince, that which is greater than the Buddha has entered Israel. Use your tongue to count your teeth. It is obvious that the great Iroko tree has fallen. It's very sad and unfortunate that the king, your father, did all his best to survive in order to see your passing out from your service. He tried to survive in order to make it, to celebrate your passing out from your service, but unfortunately, he could not make it. It's obvious that the Igwe Ochunozo Kirinabo of Atta Kingdom has joined his ancestors.
Frustration all over me. Who do I tell? Who do I run to now?
Dad, for how long am I going to wait for Lisa to get married and free me from this bondage? How long? I have virtually lost 3 suitors who came to ask for my hand in marriage, all in the name of what? Tradition. Tradition, Dad. And now you and Mom want me to sit down, fold my arms, and allow Alex to slip out of my hand. For your information, this young man is ready to pay for my bride price before he travels back.
My daughter, I understand how you feel, but we need to respect our tradition and custom.
For crying out loud, for how long? I am sick and tired of waiting for Lisa to marry before me. I am sick and tired. You people should persuade her. Persuade her, else.
Else what? Else you do otherwise? Since you want to be faster than your shadow. I hope you know the consequences of such acts.
Dad, did you hear her?
Lisa, be quiet and be reasonable. You are 29 and you'll be 30 by next year. And I hope you know the implications of you being in your parents' house without getting married at the age of 30. The entire people of Obodeze Kingdom will not allow you to get married. And Listen, let me tell you. When you are not married at the age of 30, you will not marry again. And you remain single for the rest of your life. And your birthright will be given to your younger sister by your mother. Now, think twice, be reasonable, and stop deceiving yourself. Lisa, you hiss at your father.
Dad, I will never lose Alice. Never! Never! It's not possible.
Prince, when are you coming back? The pressure is getting worse. My sister can't even get married before me. She can't even get married if I don't get married. You need to come back and pay my bride price. Have I not tried? Have I not tried? You have to come and do something, please. Hurry up with it, please.
Adam, hey, this matter shouldn't have kept you dejected. You have been told about Obodeze's culture. We expect you to...
Mom, please. I want to be left alone. What sort of demonic culture is this? Can't this tradition be amended? What is all this? What is all this rubbish?
Adam, if something is bothering you, you can confide in me. I'm your mother. Please tell me. Is it all about the prince that proposed marriage to you? You can forget about him and marry another man.
You will not understand me. You will not understand.
Ada, you are 29. To be 30 next year. And you know what that means. Please. You cannot continue to love a man who couldn't even understand our tradition.
You know, if money have cured death, your late father would not have died. Sit down.
When I called him yesterday, he told me he was fine. He never told me he was sick. Though I had the feeling that something was wrong. We discussed how he would celebrate my return, only for me to come back to receive the most unpleasant shock of my life.
We are in pains. It is my late husband that we are talking about. You know I am the one suffering it most. My heart has been injured. Instead of you to help me heal the wound, you are adding salt to the injury. Why?
Please, Mother, I am sorry. I am sorry, please.
Oh, I didn't know he will make me a widow this soon. Oh.
It's okay, Mother. I promise I will always take care of you. We are going to miss you. It's okay.
Lisa, I am so sorry for making you feel this way. I allowed my emotion get over me. I'm sorry. Did you know I turned down Alex's proposal today? Yes, he proposed to me and I turned him down. I even ran away. And he has been calling me. I've not been picking. Yes, but Lisa, why is it that you do not want to get married to any other person except Prince Charles?
I lost my virginity.
What? What did you just say? How?
Prince Charles took it.
Jesus Christ. When?
Charles, I can't accept your relationship. I don't know anything about love. And we are too young for this. Please.
Lisa, we are 18 already. My love for you is real. Lisa, accept me in your life and I'll do anything for you.
Hey, Mr. Lover Boy. Have at the back of your mind that I came from a very wealthy family.
I know. But money is not everything when it comes to love. My love for you is pure.
It's alright, I've accepted. They're still going to promise me they're going to be the good boys they used to be. I know for sure they are very intelligent. But they're going to stop associating with Paul and Chinedu. Promise me to stop associating with them. Those two are the bad eggs we have in this school. And I don't want them to influence you. Please.
It's alright. I'll do exactly as you say. I'll do it.
Lisa, you're so lucky to have Charles as your boyfriend. You know he's a dream country for all the girls in this school.
NK, what's so special about Charles? I only accepted him so I could help him stop associating with Paul and Chinedu. Those two are not good people. Okay?
Well, you said it all. Obviously, you're in love with this guy. That is why you want the best for him. You're so romantic.
What? Stop.
Can you two just stop discussing this nonsense? What is wrong with you? See, I am highly disappointed at the both of you. Can you imagine? Our parents sent us to boarding school to read. And you're here discussing about boys.
Gloria, please hold it there. What's your own? Please, why do you like interfering in other people's affairs? I know you're holier than Virgin Mary, but please, mind your business.
Thank you. Mind your business.
May God have mercy on you too.
See, that girl must be stupid to have said such a thing about us. Why would she regard Chinedu as the bad eggs in this school?
No, it's not you.
She don't forget to wipe it. She don't forget saying I'm Chinedu, the inspector general for this school. Charles, why would you allow her to vomit such now? For one to banter Sinta, Charles, you were meant to protect this brotherhood. What's in the shop now?
Guys, you guys should calm down now. You guys should calm down, chill.
Calm down for waiting. Upon everything where she talk, see, that bad egg where she call me, that bad egg where she call you, that bad egg go break and it go smell.
See, you guys should calm down and reason with me. You guys should calm down and reason with me. I did what I did to achieve my intentions over her now. You guys, calm down. What is this done? See, I want you guys to stay away from me. Stay away from, I don't associate with you guys again now. See, let this be the first and the last time I will see the both of you around me again.
Because of this thing.
Chai! Chai, have you asked me? He's a good actor.
My prince, I'm so happy for what you did out there. I'm now convinced and I'm so proud of you.
Whatever thing I did out there, I did it for love.
I believe you and I love you too.
Striker.
Bad guy.
So you have succeeded. I didn't even know that girl is that cheap.
My dear, I never believed that girl gave me a virginity.
Okay.
Bro, I love that girl.
Let's go straight to business. We have a hit this evening. Paul, hope you can remember that man now. Back of the gate now, school gate now. Hey, that man is rich. How is it now you enter for the man this evening now?
I need to show them some love. One love.
Charles, no do that thing where they do. 7 p.m. on the dot.
But you have succeeded now. No need of wasting time again.
Paul, bring 2 scoreboard. Understand?
I got your back.
Lisa, what is it? Why are you crying?
It's nothing.
It's not and you're crying.
Stop, leave me alone, please. Let me be.
I can't let you be. You're my friend. Why are you crying? Lisa, okay, you have to calm down now. You have to calm down. Maybe you don't want to talk about it now, but you have to stop crying, please.
Can you just leave me alone? Can you just leave me alone, please? Leave me. Let me be, please.
Lisa! Seriously, I don't really understand Lisa. I met Lisa outside crying.
What is your business? Can you stop interfering in my business for crying out loud? Mind your business, please. It's my life and it's my private life.
You heard her. Mind your business. It's her private life. But, Lisa, I think it's high time I talk to the both of you. We are here to learn and not to follow boys around. What's that your friend's name, Charles? Who is even sure he's not the one that broke your heart? Please, let's enter inside. The break is over. Alright.
Lisa, why are you crying with my photograph?
Really? How dare you betray me? Do you know how painful it is? Do you know how painful it is? You made me love you, you made me believe that you're going to stop talking to Chinedu and Pro. What did you do in return? What did you do in return? I saw you talking to them. Thank you for hurting me. I don't blame you. I blame love.
Lisa, is that why you slapped me? Do you even realize who I am? Lisa, I'm the crown prince of our kingdom. Lisa, I deserve some respect. Nonsense.
Charles, how did you get into the female hostel?
I sneaked in, my love. See, I need your help. I don't want to be caught by the police.
Police? What did you do? Did you do anything? What is happening?
Yes, I did. Like, I should have listened to you. Paul and Chinedu really influenced me. Like, we had to rob one of the houses at the back of the school gate. And police caught Paul and Chinedu. Please, I need to escape in my life. I don't want to be caught by the police. Please. Please.
Charles, why will you do this? You came from a very rich home, a wealthy family at that, and a royal family. Why will you do this, Charles?
I'm
Why?
sorry. I'm sorry. See, I'm sorry. At least I need money. I need to run out. I need to run away from here. Like, I need to run away. Please, I need money. Please. Help your loved one, please. Please. I need to escape from here, please.
I gave him 15,000. That was my savings. And then he escaped with it. I couldn't get a hold of him. The police looked for him. He was nowhere to be found. His parents flew him abroad, and they lied to the police that he was missing. And since then, Prince Charles has been afraid of coming back.
How could you? How could you allow yourself to fall for Prince Charles? So what next? What are you going to do now?
I don't know. I'm confused. I'm so confused. I'm sorry I'm the reason you rejected the proposal.
It's okay. I'll explain to him. It's okay.
I'm so sorry.
Stop, please.
I'm sorry.
Your dad was a good king. He was a father to all. My prayer is for his soul to rest in peace. Please accept my condolence.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
How about your friend Mirabel?
I spoke with her last night. She was... Alright, thank you so much.
I hope you end up with her as a couple.
Well, if the gods permit, it will surely come to pass.
The gods be with you.
Amen. Please drink up, okay?
I spoke with your elder brother last night. He will be coming back in 2 days. The elders of our land demand that he comes back before the burial arrangements of your late father.
Splendid. Ever since he traveled to abroad, he never wanted to come back. This time around, he won't have any excuse. I really miss him. I can't wait to see him.
Greeting my queen. The lady named Mirabel seek to see the prince.
All right. Please go tell her that I will see her soon. I can't wait to see her. I missed her.
Greeting my queen. The lady named Mirabel seek to see the prince.
All right. Please go tell her that I will see her soon. Okay.
Son, you haven't told me about your relationship with this Mirabel Opega.
Mother, don't be too quick. See, I will tell you everything when the right time comes. It is a promise. All right, let me go and see her. Okay. All right.
serious? You're coming back? Okay. I can't wait to see you too. Alright. Okay, I'll see you soon then.
It is hard to find Mama Biakenelio Akugomo. Where do I find the love of my life? I need you. I need you. I need you right now. Love Mama Biakenelio. Touched around the world, yet I couldn't find you. I am so restless.
God has finally answered my prayer.
Wow. What happened?
Prince is coming back in 2 days' time.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
That's a good news.
It is.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, I know.
So, what's wrong? Why the sudden change of mood?
Yeah, he said he lost his dad.
Oh.
And that, the way of attacking him. He loved him so much. And he was a great father. He's a pity. Yes.
May his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Alex, so sorry I was carried away.
It's okay, I understand.
Alex, I want to officially apologize on behalf of my sister. What she did it because of me. But not to worry, my man will be back in 2 days' time, so you two can office together.
That's our prayer. That's our prayer.
Amen.
Sweetie, I hope you are no longer mad at me.
No, I'm not mad at you. Of course you know I love you.
I love you too, darling. Come, let's go inside.
All right.
Welcome.
Thank you.
He was a kind man. He was a king for everybody. He was always ready to assist everyone who needed his support. The widows are all crying because the late king was so good to them. I just pray his soul rest in peace.
Amen. You know, my happiness today is many people have testified his good heart. He was the best father and the best king I've ever known. I am really proud of him, and I wish I can take after him.
It is written all over you, my prince. You were a replica of your late father. You always held everyone strong to your heart, both the rich and the poor. Just continue with it, my prince. Your father will be very happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind words. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your condolence visit.
You're welcome, my prince.
How much do you love Prince Ken?
Mama, why are you bringing up this topic again? I've told you that Prince Ken is a good man. He has a good heart like his late father. Or have you forgotten he promised to train me in the university?
Remember, don't compromise love out of sentiment. I know he has done a lot for you and still willing to do more. But never you compromise marriage out of sympathy.
Mama, you see, Prince Ken is a good man. He sticks to his words. Mama, he respects both the poor and the rich. And he loves me. And I love him too.
Don't tell me you have slept with him already.
God forbid. May the God strike me dead if I've ever given any man my virginity. Oh no, Mama.
Don't be reckless with your words. I forbid that word that came out of your mouth. Don't you ever swear with your virginity.
But Mama, that is the only way I can prove my innocence.
Yes, I believe you. Because I know I raised you well. I know. My daughter. So be careful. I will. You have to be careful. Okay. I'm coming.
It is hard to find Mama biakenelio Akugomo. Where do I find the love of my life?
I see true love. I see disaster. I see hate. I see betrayal and revelation. I can't really define your daughter's destiny with Prince Ken. Those two love each other. But I can perceive danger.
Danger? Should I stop her from getting close to the prince?
Never. Those two can never be separated. Never. Those two can never be separated. It seems your daughter will play a vital role in the palace to cleanse the dent of the past. She will bring crisis to the royal hood, and she will equally bring progress.
Akrika, please clarify her destiny with the prince so that I can...
Woman, I will advise you to allow the will of the gods to be done. Allow the will of the gods to be done. Enwela wado ya no na mmiri olala nwe. Enwela wado ya no na mmiri olala newo. Enwela wado ya no na mmiri olabele o.
These are my daughter. Since your fiancé is back, I think you should pay him a condolence visit.
Yeah, I actually have that in mind.
I can see. At last, I'm happy to see my daughter brush. Look at her. Hey! Oh,
yeah.
Mom, can you just stop teasing me already? Oh, you are blushing. Shut up. The sad thing is that, I mean, the death of his father really weighed him down. You know, and I really pray that the gods will give them the fortitude to bear this loss.
Amen.
The elders will come tomorrow for your father's burial arrangement. They demand that you must come back before they restart.
It's a good thing I'm here already. Dad deserves a befitting burial. It's unfortunate. My heart is soaked with tears. I came home to see my father, only to meet his demise. That's so painful.
We are all affected, my son.
No. I am more affected. I've been a bad son to father. I've been a very, very bad son. But all the same, father loved me with all his heart. I was hoping I'll come home to beg for his forgiveness, but no. That took him away so fast. Too bad.
My son, there's always a moment of happiness and sadness. Your father loved all his children equally. He has even forgiven you long ago. The best you will offer him now is to follow his footsteps.
I will try my best, Mom.
Oh,
I will make father proud.
Jane.
Yo, baby.
I want to say thank you again for accepting my proposal.
Aww, you always welcome, my love. I'm happy that I'm all yours now.
I'm happy too.
Oh, come here. So, I'll see you.
Oh,
Yeah,
sure.
take care of yourself.
Sure.
Hmm?
And you too.
Okay, bye.
All right.
Wow, I finally accepted this. Finally, I am pleased.
No, the gods has finally remembered us.
Amen. Oh, I'm so happy.
You know what?
Where is
Lisa? Where's Lisa?
Let's go in and celebrate.
Let's go.
It is hard to find Mama Biakenelio Akugomo. Where do I find the love of my life? I need you. Love mo Biakenelio Ifunanya mo Touched around the world, yet I couldn't find you. I am so restless. Ifunanya mo.
What is wrong with you? You have been like this since yesterday and it's beginning to worry me.
It's
nothing to worry about, my baby.
Mama, when did you start hiding things from me?
And what do you think I possibly have to hide from you? Nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Please, I want to be left alone.
Okay. Left alone. She's hiding something from me. I think something is wrong with her. I will definitely find out. I'll find out.
My friends, accept our condolence. We wish you peace, love, and just know that we are solidly behind you. You have our support in everything, especially now we are mourning. Okay? Accept our condolence. Thank you very much.
My prince, my heart goes to you all at this difficult time. I'm wishing you all the best. And you know you have my full support. It's often hard to find the right words to use at a time like this. May you all have peace, comfort, and all the joy in the days to come.
My prince, I pray that the gods will give you all joy and peace. And I also pray that the gods will give you all the fortitude to bear this great loss. Your father was indeed a great man, and he loved you so much.
My prince, please accept my sincere condolences.
Thank you all very much. Thank you. You know, finally, the miles between us has disappeared. I'm so happy to have you here with me. If you want to know how much I missed you, try to catch raindrops.
Oh.
The ones you catch is how much you miss me.
Oh, wow.
And the ones you miss is how much I miss you.
You know, meeting you was fate. And falling helplessly in love with you was totally out of my control. You are the one whom my heart finds. You are the one whom my mind reminds me. You're the one whom my destiny wants. And I love you so much.
I believe every word that comes from your mouth.
You shouldn't do this. I mean, you should pay you. That is lost respect.
You never back down on your principles. Thank you for being such a wonderful mother.
Thank you, too.
Great elders of my land, I really appreciate you all for your efforts, contributions, and support towards my father's burial. May the gods bless you all.
My prince, our king was very good. He deserves more than we did for him. As a matter of fact, everybody in our kingdom knew that he was a very wonderful king. What we are asking is for his soul to rest in perfect peace.
Please, I want you all to exercise patience with my mother and my brother. They will soon join us.
No problem. No problem. Wise one, to what do we owe this sudden visit?
I know why I asked the elders to step aside. Because this message is strictly for the royal family. A toad does not run in broad daylight or not. It's either he's pursuing something or something is pursuing it. I'm only a messenger of the gods. I'm here to deliver a message to all of you as demanded by the gods.
A message? So what could that be?
The gods demands that Prince Charles must marry a virgin, or he will lose the throne.
And what do you mean by that?
You must marry a virgin to be qualified to be the next king of this great land. If you mistakenly, I repeat, if you mistakenly marry a woman that has been deflowered, you will lose the throne to your brother without any compromise.
But why? Ever since the customs and traditions of this land, such demands has never been given to the previous royal family. Why ours now?
Ajuzogwe, Iba mandemo. Ajuzogwe, Iba mandemo. Enunana Ajuzogwe, Iba mandemo. Ajuzogwe, Iba mandemo. I'm only a messenger of the gods and I've delivered my message. Take note. If you go contrary to this, you all will face the wrath of the gods. Hajuzogwe, Iba mandemo. Hajuzogwe, Iba mandemo. Achusogwe, Iba Mandemo. Achusogwe, Iba Mandemo. Achusogwe, Iba Mandemo.
Stand up. What is it? You scared me. What is it? Oh! To me, it was a dream. The prince. The same Prince Ken. Why would Prince Ken try to rape you in your dream? What could be the interpretation of this dream?
Mama, I'm very much confused.
Come here. Come. Rest your head. You know what you do for me now? You go inside and rest your head, okay?
Just be careful.
Be careful.
The past is gradually coming back to hurt my daughter. Should I tell her about the past? No. Some pasts are better left untold.
How did it go with your brother?
Mother, Charles is very devastated. He doesn't want to believe a single word that came out from Africa's mouth. He even called him a bloody liar. He vehemently condemned Africa's message.
I would advise Charles not to mock the descent of the gods. He cannot go against their will. He cannot.
You are right, Mother. But I'm afraid what this may amount to. Yes, from my observation, he thinks I am applying politics. He is perceiving a foul play of which I tried to correct him, but he pushed me out of his room.
He did?
Yes, he did.
Charles pushed you out of his room?
Yes, he did. Mother, you have to go and talk to him. He is your son. Go and talk to him.
Yes, that is exactly what I'm going to do. How can Charles be behaving like this? We don't have to lose this throne. We cannot.
You have to, if it warrants you to break the door and talk to him. I don't know why he doesn't want you to talk to him. Or he do something very drastic. Come over this wall.
Come on, play. What is it? What is it? You see this Mirabelle of a girl? She's a green snake under the green grass. Yeah? From the look of things, she has charmed Prince Ken. She keeps visiting him without notice. Huh? Come. What is your problem with that girl? Eh? Everything is the problem with her. In fact, I hate that girl. I hate the fact that Prince Ken keeps giving her much attention. Huh?
Wait, are you jealous?
What kind of a stupid question is that?
Because I'm here to see where your anger is coming from.
Well, it's obvious that you don't have sense. You are senseless, you are very stupid. Because without being told, you don't know that I'm the only outstanding and beautiful maiden that is meant for me. Don't know. Keep dreaming. I should keep dreaming at least. I don't blame you because you don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Outstanding.
It's not your fault, it's my fault. I'm the one that dragged you.
Kanjo Kenege, why will the gods take such decision?
Oh, careful. The gods knows better than us. I believe in future we will comprehend why they make such decision.
Anyway, who are we to question the decision of the gods? The ways of the gods are not the ways of men.
That's okay.
Well, that is true.
Someday we'll...
This is unbelievable. I have never heard such a thing in the history of this kingdom.
You are right. Africa has been a faithful mouthpiece of the gods to this land. He has been faithful to us. And I think his message should be taken seriously.
But from what you told me, your brother is in a serious relationship. What if she's not a virgin?
That is where I am having a very big problem with my brother. He thinks I plotted this with Africa.
What?
Yes. I know how his mind works. Everything to him is a competition. He can be very selfish and insensitive.
You know there is no competition in destiny. I can remember when he was always jealous of the way your parents praise your good character.
All I just want is to make peace with my brother. I pray to the gods of this land to give me the wisdom to handle this.
I feel your pain, bro. Don't worry. The gods of our land will hear your cry.
Thank you.
Mother, it's time you warn Charles. It's time you caution him because I've had enough of his excesses. Can you imagine? He is now referring me as a green snake under a green grass. Why would he have such negativity about me? Why?
Your brother prefers the throne to his life.
I don't understand you, Mother.
I will explain to you later.
Mother, what is he going to do now? I mean, this is not a good news.
Are you asking me? He has to take the best decision for his life. He can't be playing with his life. And it's obvious that your brother is going to lose the throne. So my son, start preparing yourself to ascend the throne.
Mother, this is not a good news. What is he going to do?
That's the only immediate action we have to take, and nothing else. We must save the throne, you know.
Charles. Charles, why?
How are you? Yes, I'm home. Is everything okay? Okay, okay, come in.
My friends, true friends are like diamonds. They are very rare and true. Fake friends are like leaves. They are scattered everywhere. You know, I'm so lucky to have you. And I want to say thank you for everything. God bless you.
You are welcome. I'm Mirabel.
My prince.
When I think of future, I picture us like two trees planted side by side, growing together, so strong and firmly, while our children sprouting like seedlings. You know, life offers us many challenges, and I am willing to face them if you are ready. Mirabel, you know how we met. You know how our relationship started. I have been sincere and genuine to you. I have never for one day thought of taking advantage of you. I actually want to use this opportunity to open up to you. My beautiful damsel, will you be the mother of my children? Will you marry me?
My prince, I have no response now. But I just want you to be patient with me. Just give me some time. I want to think about it, please. I'm so sorry.
All right, no problem. No problem. Please, don't forget to extend my greetings to your mom, okay?
I will.
All right, then. I have to go.
My prince. My prince. My prince, you are a kind man. You have a heart of gold. I have no reason to doubt your true love for me. But I just want you to be patient. Just give me some time to think about it. Okay? I just want you to be patient with me. I need to think about it and be sure that I truly want this, okay?
All right. I understand you.
Okay, my prince.
Take care of yourself.
I will.
All right.
What am I saying?
Mama, good afternoon.
How are you? Who brought all this?
Mama, Prince Ken brought all these things for us.
Wow! He's such a nice man. Ha. May the gods bless him.
He say.
May his pocket never dry.
He say.
Hey!
Mama, let's take them in. Let's take them in. Hey! Serious? Yes, so.
Now, wow.
Okay, with everything you're saying here, let me carry this one. We're going. God will bless you. He's a kind man.
I really need to be very careful. I have to think about it thoroughly before accepting his proposal.
I can't see him come out with you.
Lisa, I am sorry. He locked himself up in his room. It's obvious he didn't want to see you.
But I want to talk to him. Maybe if I talk to him, he will have a change of mind. Maybe just let me go inside and talk to him. Please.
I'm sorry. It's not going to work. I wish I can convince him to come and sort out things with you.
Oh, you are his brother. You can talk to him.
There is nothing I can do.
So that's it? So that's it? Like it's over? He's going to do me like that? After keeping myself for him? Okay, please. I need to talk to him, please. Help me.
I'm sorry. I can't do anything. Please.